Why now, my lady? Tell me what's in your body. I'm not there, my easy, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mercy. If you want to know how I revamped this old wig cap, I revamped it and made this fringe wig with it. Please keep on watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to reuse your already used wig net or wig cap. As you can see, this was a closure wig and it's cut out. So I'm going to show you guys how to sew back inside. Then it will just look like a new wave, but just a little different. So yeah, as you can see, I used the wave already from the wig cap, and the main thing is how to do the inside part, which is the closure. So that will be what I'm going to be doing, guys. So as you can see, this is the closure, and this is a used dome cap which I used my frontal wig. So basically, yeah, I'm going to be placing it here. Then I'm going to be sewing like from here down to here. Normally I would have sewed like this, then as in I would have sewed it crease like all the way from here to here, from here to here. Then I lose the hair, then I sew this on it. That's if I was using a closure, but since I'm not using another closure, I'm doing a fringe wig. This is what I'm going to do because it will be easier for me. So I'm just going to come back, pack this hair properly, then turn it back. So basically what I'm doing, I'm using my finger to support the wig cap so that I won't sew on any hair inside. So I'm just showing you guys the process on how you do it. And you have to be careful because the needle can be quite sharp, so it won't pierce you. Just take your time and finish up round the closure area. So I'm trying to fit it in, fit the wig cap on the mannequin. Then after that, I'm going to be losing the closure from the wig cap. And this is how it's supposed to look like. So after that, you're going to cut out the excess wig cap from the wig cap. The excess dome cap from the wig cap. Then you get an evenly nice wig cap. So the wig cap is quite big, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to hold those two sides at the back. I'm going to hold it down, then sew it so that it will fit my head properly. As you can see, I've sewed it down. You can see some other sides that were open. I've sewed it down, and this is basically how you revamp your old closure wig into a normal wig. Then the next video I'll be showing you guys the after effect, the after look of the wig I made with the wig cap. So yes, I used the wig cap which I revamped to do this fringe wig. This is my attempt on doing a fringe wig with human hair, and it turned out so nice. Like I didn't really think fringe wig would fit me this much, but it's cute. I like it. I love it. So yes, thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. and I got these cute earrings from AliExpress. Yeah, bye guys.